Hello viewers, this is exponential equation and the question says if t power 1 over 3 plus t is equal to 10, find the value of t. Okay, when you look at this, you will observe that their base are the same. So you will see what I will do now. T power 1 over 3 plus t power 1. This t power 1 and this t are the same, is equal to, I can write this 10 in this form, 2 plus 8. Okay, and 2 plus 8 is what? Is still what? 10. So next thing that I will do now is this. These two that we have here, I will express it in this form. I will express it in this form. Cube root of 8. You know, cube root of 8 will give us 2. Do you understand it now? Plus this 8 that we have here is still what? The same thing as 8 power 1. Okay? Which is equal to this. When I apply the one of the laws of indices that we have, this will become 8 power 1 over 3. These two things are the same. 8 power 1 over 3 plus 8 power 1. Do you see what I did now? So when you relate this to this, you will observe that this t power 1 over 3 plus t power 1, they have the exponent in common. So what this thing means now is that this t that we have here, t power 1 is equal to 8 power 1. And the t power 1 over 3 is equal to 8 power 1 over 3. Therefore, t is equal to 8. Now, if you understand this, solve this. Y power 1 over 3 plus y power 1 is equal to 30. Solve this question and drop your answer in the comment section. But before then, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. And if you are watching me from Facebook or TikTok, you give my page a follow. Also, share my content to your friends and well-wishers so that they will benefit as well. Bye-bye.